Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set yourself online in the HiPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And as you can see, here you will find the Go Online section. So if you want to enable that, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned green, it means that you're online. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.